Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. In this video, I'll be talking about some AI websites that allow you to generate art free of cost in just few seconds. If you have seen my past videos, I have covered how AI helps you in creating text or creating websites in less than 5 minutes. I'll be posting those links in the description below in case you haven't watched. So on the same line, in this video also, I'll be talking about two AI websites that provide real-time images in just few seconds. In fact, I used one of the AI website there to create this beautiful image here of the robot reading. I'm amazed by the quality it provided. So let's go and check it out. Our first website is text.You. You can go ahead and log in. So text.You is designed by OpenAI, and yes, this is the same company that designed ChatGPT also. It can create images from the text you enter, and that too within few seconds. And the best part is that it's free to use. So here I'm in the home page. You can see the amazing art that it has created. So let's go ahead and sign in. You can use your Google websites to log in. So here I am logged in. If you see here, these are the images that has been generated. So let's go ahead and generate our own. Suppose I want to open a restaurant and I want to create a poster for that. So this is what I typed. Poster with cupcakes in center and other dessert as background. Let's go. So you see, here we have all of those images. Let's open one of them. And this is one. You can go ahead and edit it. You can add a frame. You can zoom something. You can erase something. Suppose I do not like this one. You can go ahead and erase it. Let's go ahead and try something else. Laughing Mona Lisa. Let's see what it's painting. If you see, this is what it's provided, and it's pretty funny. The interesting thing about this is the way it's generating it. I can go back in my history and show you all kind of images that I asked for. If you see here, couple dancing rain, anime girl with flower, Iron Man with flower. So if you see, it does provide some amazing images. So of course, in terms of quality, it's still lagging. I can see that it's trying to create various images, but it still needs some work. So although in the starting of video I did say that it's free, but it does have a credit system. So like here, if I go into my account, so if you see here, I have only 34 credits left. So basically here, once you are joining new, you will be getting 50 credit your first month. After that, each month it will be crediting 15 points to your account. As of now, it's on average scale, and I'll be giving it 3.8 out of 5. So now let's go ahead to our second website. Midjourney is an independent research lab which creates amazing images from the text you provide. I have tried using it. I fell in love with the quality of art that it was providing. It's very easy to use, as well as the quality is pretty good. Let's go ahead and check it out. So for this, for joining Midjourney, you have to go in and sign in. So I have already signed in. So this is my page. So Midjourney works through Discord. So here, once you're logging for the first time, it will ask you to go to Discord channel. It will be taking you to this getting started page. That's the first page of Midjourney. You have to go ahead. You can use any of these newbie rooms, and here you can go ahead and create the images that you want. So if we go into one of this room, you can see these are the images that other users here are creating. One of the good thing about Midjourney was, like, in this way you can go ahead and see what type of art other people are also creating. So for using Midjourney Discord, this is the keyword that you have to use, and you have to add this /imagine. You can add whatever type of image you want. So suppose I try something like panda wearing a hat in 3D. So here, to get the good quality, there is a keyword that you have to use, something like AR 16:9. Here I am telling that the aspect ratio of this image should be 16:9. Q2, this means that the quality, and V4, it means the version that I am using. This is the latest quality version that it has. Let's click it and see what it's. So here, this is what it's creating. So this is the one. If you see, these are pretty cute. I can go ahead and save it. Let's go ahead and try to ask it to design something completely imaginative. I'm asking it to design the interior of an Indian restaurant with Bollywood vibe. I'll give it aspect ratio of 16:9, the same we have given earlier. So this is what it's creating, and it's pretty nice. The good thing is like how it is able to imagine this and create something like that. The only cons here, I feel, is the credit system that it allows. So as a trial version, you get 25 images. After that, you have to buy the plan to keep creating images. But overall, I was quite impressed with the quality of video it's provided, and for me, it's 4.8 out of 5. So what do you think? Do comment below in the video which one you liked the best and how you are going to use it. That's it for today. Do like and subscribe to my channel for awesome content like this. Thank you, and I will see you again in next video of What's New in Tech.